So this chart below outlines the average price of a barrel of crude oil in the U.S. from February 2017 to February 2020. And the question down here asks what is the percent change for the price of oil from July 2018 to July 2019? Well, July 2018, I can see that price of oil it looks like it's right here. And so what would that be? It's somewhere between 70 and 75. I'm going to say in 2018, the price was $74. Again, this is an approximate, right? And then in 2019, it looks like the price is right about, oops, sorry, wrong month. We're going to read this graph. It looks like it's right here. And somewhere between 55 and 60, I'm going to say it's 57. Again, this is an approximate, right? We want to find the percent change. Now, was this a percent increase or a percent decrease? Well, we can see it went from 74 to 57, so we know this is a decrease. So how do we find this value? Well, we're going to take, if it's a percent decrease, we're going to take the price it is now, subtract it from the price it was in 2015, and divide it by the original. And when I do that, 57 minus 74 is negative 17 over 57, which gives us negative 0.2982. Again, we could round this to 0.30 or something like that. Now I'm going to times that by 100 to get it to a percentage, so negative 29.82%. So this was, so between 2018 July and July 2019, there was a 29.82% decrease.